Oh, he's coming. Guys, we got a train. I caught Mike earlier. Hopefully you watch part 1 first. Oh, God. See, we got a train down there. Train down there. Train down there. We're going to have a train meet. Bro, I honestly feel like it's a heritage unit. Oh, he bearing through there. Jeez. Sorry, I don't. I am. Jeez, he going speed. Yeah! My battery's almost low. Going, jeez! It looks like he's going slow in the camera, but really he's going like, jeez. Whip! Intermodal. English! BNSF!